Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this video we'll learn about how to log into Minnesota Lawyer. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any of your browser like Firefox, Safari, whatever is easy for you. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Minnesota Lawyer. Now click on the Minnesota Lawyer. This is the home page of the Minnesota Lawyer website. Now on the top navigation bar you can see the sign in option in the right. Now you'll need your user ID or your email address and a password. So type in your email address or your user ID. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and you can reset your password. Now click on login. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any confusions. Thank you.